Okay, from the photos you sent, what we're thinking is that you put the slot rail, this is the slot rail, the thinner rail, into the bottom channel instead of the top channel. So we're going to show you just real quickly what we think you need to do to fix this. All right, turn it on its back side. Okay. Just loosen it up as you tighten them. And then just put it into the channel. Sorry for the... Yep, put it into that lower channel. Tighten up the screws. And just remember, the whole point of the thinner slot rail is so you have access to slide your poster in and out. It's not supposed to be 4 frame rails without any slot. And you'll see that that's what it's supposed to be like. Hope this helps.